Ever wonder what life might be like if you had a clone? Because when you're a victim of identity theft, that's kinda what happens. By getting their hands on just a few of your personal details, cybercriminals can create an identical version of you. Same name, same address, same face, same voice, same everything! Except for one little problem. This clone wants to take you down. Let's look at the havoc they can cause. First up is the social media clone. While you were sending emails from the coffee shop, a hacker snuck in through the public Wi-Fi and snooped on that document you keep all your passwords on. Quick as a flash, they've changed all your passwords and emailed you a ransom demand, threatening to ruin your life if you don't pay up. By sending unsavoury messages to your boss, or even worse. Next, there's the shopping clone. The email you got promised 90% off a pair of Ray-Bans sounded too good to be true. And it was, because the hackers at the other end now have your card details. And you know what that means? Shopping trip! Before you know it, they've emptied your account buying iPads on Amazon. And you don't even notice until your new shades don't show up. And finally, we have the credit clone, the worst of the lot. After years of you sharing intimate details of your life online, identity thieves know your date of birth, where you live, where you work, even your mother's maiden name. And they can use all that to take out credit cards and loans in your name, racking up debts that you couldn't possibly pay back. Cloning doesn't sound so exciting now, does it? But there are loads of ways to prevent identity theft. Go paperless so you leave less of a personal paper trail. Tighten your privacy settings on social media so only trusted friends and family see your updates. Use strong passwords and two-factor authentication so it's harder for baddies to hack your online accounts. Keep an eye on your financial statements and your credit record so you can see straight away if you've been cloned. And above all, guard your personal information and passwords just like you would a naked selfie. You wouldn't just send it to anyone who asked, would you?